Hazabi here, and I'm going to show you something really cool in this video, right? Now, if you're using AI in your business right now, you're probably paying monthly subscriptions. And if you have looked into the automated agentic AI, the kind that actually does the clicking and typing for you, you have probably seen that most of them run on remote cloud servers and charge around $200 a month. But today, a new software is going to be launched, and that's called Odin AI, and it completely flips that model. And Odin is a desktop app for Mac and Windows that lives on your computer. So if I open up that, and if I just open, I have installed it on, I have access to it. So Odin AI, and it will come up into your tray, and you can click on in here to access it. That's the Odin AI in here. If you click on settings, you will see all the options right here. Now, the main thing about Odin AI is that it sees your screen. It works inside the actual browser, and instead of massive monthly fee that I just talked about, like $200 a month, this software is a one-time payment of about $37. So in this video, you will see exactly how this AI works, and you see this little icon here, right, along with my cursor. That's Odin. And for example, if I don't know what I'm doing, for example, if I'm doing a video editing and if I don't know like how to start video editing, it will actually point. It will go independently, like click this button here, click this button here, and it will actually guide me. More on that in a bit. Okay, so in this video you will see everything here, and I will break down the upsell funnel so you know exactly what to expect, and I will be showing you the exact bonuses that you'll be getting as well that will highly complement Odin, and it's going to be really helpful for you. So let's go back and open that Odin right here, and as you can see here, you can see there is an auto mode, there is a guide mode, and there is an act mode. So the guide mode actually tells you to where to click or what to click, and act mode, it takes over your keyboard. And there is one more mode, and that is background agent mode. So if you give it a task, it will do it in the background by launching an agent. For example, if you want to research something and compile it as a PDF document, then it will do it on the background by launching an agent, and you can do multiple tasks, and it will launch multiple agents to do the background work for you. So you can give it work and you can just walk away. Now in this particular laptop that I'm using, there's sensitive client data on it, so I'm not going to run a massive automated task right in front of you, but instead I'm actually going to play the uncut demo from the creators so you can exactly see how this completes multi-step workflows. So watch that demo first closely, and then I will come back and explain the pricing and also the bonuses. So here is the demo video.
Alright, I just woke up and I am about to run out to the gym, and today I want to work on improving my SEO for my website. So before I head out, I'm just gonna ask Odin, and I'm gonna message him to sort of review my website and So I've just sent off this message, and I'll get back to Odin in a bit once I'm back from the gym, and we'll see what it comes up with. Alright, so I just got back from the gym, and it seems like Odin is done analyzing my website, and it has given me a full breakdown about, the SEO thingy that we needed, and it has created a report for me. So let's just pull this up, and it's essentially scored a 4 on 10 for SEO and a 1 on 10 for AEO. And as you can see here, it has given me a list of issues that I need to fix. And it's also pulled out things that are working well, and then it's giving me some action steps for AEO, and then there's a full action plan that it has given me, along with the kind of impact it will have and the amount of effort it would take, and it's divided in 3 phases. So I can now go up and pick this up myself, or I could just ask Odin again to sort of go in and do this for me. But that's really the beginning of Odin. Now, Odin is essentially an AI assistant who lives on your computer, whether you're using a Mac or Windows. It works on both, and it's so easy to use. All you have to do is press Control Space and just talk to Odin like a human would. and it's easier than giving instructions to a team member of yours. So I'll show you. Let's say I have some tasks in Asana that I want to complete. So let's see. Let's pull up my Asana here. Okay, so in here I have a task that needs to be done, but let's say I'm just feeling too lazy or I have to head out or something. I can integrate Asana into Odin, and I have already done that here, but let me show you how that works. I'm just gonna press Control Space and I'm gonna ask Odin to do it for me. Hey Odin, can you launch a background agent? Pull my pending tasks from Asana and please do it for me. And you'll see right here in a moment.
Starting background agent.
Odin has launched a background agent and it is now starting, and it will go in and start doing the work for me. And that's essentially just one part of Odin. Besides that, we also have two other very cool features that I would like to show you. One of them is the fact that Odin can teach you things. Let me just quickly reply to Odin. So essentially, Odin was asking if I'm logged in and or not, and I'm honestly not sure. So I just told Odin that I'll log in, and as you see now, Odin has pulled up the login page for me. Odin will never ask you for your logins or any other sensitive information. If it needs it, it's just going to open the page for you, and it's gonna ask you to essentially do the steps yourself. So as you can see, it's saying that Odin browser has the sign-in page open. Look for a window labeled Odin Agent Browser in your dock. Please sign in with your email. And hopefully that should do it. Yep, there we go. I will just tell Odin that it's done now. And Odin can continue working on it. Now, in the meantime, I would like to show you the two other features of Odin that I think are pretty incredible. So one of them is the guide feature, which essentially allows you to ask Odin things and learn how to do them. So for example, let's say you are logging into Gmail for the first time. You can just press Control Space. Hey Odin, how do I create a new email? And ask Odin the most basic or the most challenging thing, and Odin can help you go through it. So it's gonna now show me that I can click on that big compose button.
Click the big compose button on the left sidebar, or hit the C key on your keyboard to open a new email instantly.
And that's how Odin can guide you. Now let's make it a bit more challenging. Let me just ask Odin, how do I create an API key? Hey Odin, can you please help me out? I don't know how to create an API key. So it just pointed me to the create button here, and I
Click
can
the create
click on
button
that.
in the top right corner to add a new workspace and name it.
And it just doesn't work on your browser. It can pretty much work in any app that you're using. So for example, I'm here in my Asana app, and let's ask Odin something. Hey Odin, can you tell me how do I create a new project in Asana?
Click the create button in the top left of your sidebar. It'll open a menu where you can choose project and start building it right away.
And that's essentially how Odin can help you throughout any particular app or really anything essentially that you need help with. And that's just one thing. Then you have the act mode, which basically takes control of your computer screen and does things for you. So let's say I want to create a Facebook page, but I don't want to do it myself. I can just ask Odin. Hey Odin, can you create a new Facebook page for me called Odin AI, and just fill in the rest of the details however you'd like. And now, as you can see, there's a top bar that says Odin is controlling your computer. So now essentially Odin can use your computer and take actions. So my hands are off the keyboard now, and Odin is going in and it's creating a Facebook page for me. So it's opening the page creator, and now it's typing in the name, it's going to type in the category, and then it's going to type in the bio and create this page for me. And as you can see, essentially it's filling up everything, and now it's hitting the create page button, and the page has been created. Now it's asking for a few more details. I'm not sure what Odin would do. Either it would tell me that it's done creating the page, or it's gonna ask me for details that Odin can fill in here as well. And there you go. Odin says the page has been created. So that's how the act mode works. And if I could show you, the task that it's working on, so you'll see that it's going in and it's actually marking the applicants as either shortlisted or Odin is gonna, reject them. So let's see this in real time as well. As you can see, it's navigating to the next one. And now it's gonna review the resume here and see if this person fits the job description. And based on that, it's either gonna mark them as shortlisted or it's gonna reject them. And this is a long list, by the way. This is about 300 people, as you can see right here. So it may take a while for Odin to complete this work, but essentially this gives you an idea of what exactly Odin can do for you. And by the way, once Odin is done shortlisting, I can also ask Odin to grab the emails of these people and then send them an email inviting them for an interview. So that's how cool that is. And as you see, Odin just marked this recipient as this person as rejected, and now the cross is active, and now it's gonna go and navigate to the next person, and then it's gonna continue on until it's done. So yeah, that's essentially how Odin works. That's what it can do. And I think it's a really, really powerful tool for anyone. And at the price especially that we're offering it right now, it's just a complete no-brainer. So make sure that you jump on before this launch pricing expires and get in at the one-time price while we're offering it. Cheers.
And I'm back. So you can see that why this is a massive shift from just typing prompts into ChatGPT. Now let's talk about the money, the pricing, right? The upsells. The front end product is $37 one time. This gives you the desktop app, but it limits you to 5 background tasks a day and 5 Telegram tasks from your phone, right? You know that it connects to Telegram, so you can go to Telegram on your phone and you can give the task and it will do it on your computer, right? So you are limited to 5 tasks a day. 5 tasks a day. I can't talk right now. But anyway, upgrade number 1 is the Pro Unlimited for $297. Now this removes all the limits. It lets you run unlimited background tasks and it gives you a commercial license as well. And it lets you install it on 3 different computers. So there is absolutely no limitations in here. Now upgrade number 2 is the Conquest pack for $97. And this gives you a library of done for you automated workflows for things like content creation, for things like client proposals and competitor research. And upgrade number 3 is the agency license for $397. And this lets you install Odin on up to 100 client computers and charge them for it. And there is one more option here, right? If you are a serious business owner, if you actually want to make money with AI properly, seriously, then there is also a bundle deal available for either $297 or there is $497 that packages all of this together. So you do not need to go ahead and go through these upsells one by one to make the software work. But I highly recommend upgrade 1 if you plan on using this daily. If you plan on just getting the FE instead of the main $37, I highly recommend you go after $297 because it lets you do amazing things and it makes your life a whole lot easier. So this is one of the 8 exclusive bonus that you will get, and that is the Odin Command Vault, and it gives you 100 ready to run commands, so you never have to actually stare at a blank screen or do all this guesswork. You can click on guide here to find these prompts that you can use for Odin. You can use the act mode and have these act command prompts in here. Also for the background agent, or you can click just all modes and you will find everything for your niche. If you are into this affiliate marketing and launch, you can use this, right? For example, build a bonus comparison page draft listing my bonuses against the 3 most common competing bonuses. That's pretty good. And it will use the act mode and will create this stuff for you. The next bonus that you will get is the first 7 days with Odin, which is a day-by-day path to setting up your automated systems. And you will also get the client deliverable template pack and also the output repurposing engine. This is very, very helpful. This shows you how to really turn one piece of AI research that you do with Odin into 5 different pieces of content, and Odin actually can act and go ahead and post it on Facebook or Instagram or wherever that you want. How cool is that? You give a command, it will do the repurposing, it will go ahead and post it for you according to your instructions. And apart from this, you will also get the background agent playbook. You'll also get the Telegram command center, so you can just use Telegram and complete your work without even being present at your desk, right? You will also get the client delivery QA checklist if you are into that, and you will also get the niche blueprint selector for you, and just pick a specific plan and get a ready-made weekly routine. So if you go and click the link in the description, I will put both the $37 FE, the $297 unlimited, or the bundle deal package below. Both of the links will be there. Once you get it, when you pay and you get into the JVZoo receipt page, JVZoo access page, then you will be able to access all these bonuses that I talked about. So yeah, make sure to check that, affiliate access button, the bonus access button. So yeah, Odin AI is one of the very few tools I have seen this year that actually justifies the hype. So go ahead, click the link below and lock in that one-time $37 price before the launch window actually closes, and I will see you inside.